into the PCV system. This is just part of Audi's emissions control system. It has a valve right here that controls the pressure and the vapors coming out of the crankcase down here. Looks like there is just one horseshoe clip that's holding it in. Here's a better look at the split on the 90-degree that goes into the manifold. Here's a look at the cracks on either side of the one-way valve. These are usually replaced with a oil catch can. I'm going to start by removing the horseshoe clip that's holding that in, and hopefully get it off of the T that's coming off of the line that comes up here and runs to the puck. PCV is finally taken out. This bottom piece broke into two sections and was able to get this out by bending the metal in it. Next, I'm going to shop back all of this up, make sure there's nothing in there, and cover it up. While I was removing the PCV system, one of the hoses was making a sound, and I was able to look over and pinpoint that there was coolant leaking, and so I was able to pinpoint that here's where it's coming from. So I'm gonna add that to the checklist of things to fix. For now, we're gonna get the intake cleaned, the injectors cleaned, and the PCV system rebuilt.